Three, two, one.
Good day everyone. I am here to discuss the parts and functions of SLR camera. But before that, I want to introduce myself first. I am Dasha Lansibayan, taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminology from Section 2 Bravo. The shutter speed dial provides the selection of the shutter speeds and indicates the timing of the shutter open and closes. Shutter release button. When pressed, the shutter of the camera is released so that it opens to capture a picture and then closes, allowing an exposure time as determined by the shutter speed setting. Film advance lever. Used to rotate the film inside the camera in order to take a new picture. Frame counter. Shows the number of frames that have moved through the camera or number of exposures taken. Grip. Allows the camera to hold multiple batteries to extend the battery life of the camera. The lens release button unlocks the lens mount and allows you to detach the lens. Although you can attach the lens in one step, as a safety measure, you can only detach it by pressing the lens release button. You'll find it on the front of the camera near the lens mount. A self-timer is a device on a camera that gives a delay between pressing the shutter release and the shutter's firing. It is most commonly used to let the photographer to take a photo of themselves or often with a group of other people, hence the name. The aperture ring on the lens allows the photographer to control the aperture with the lens. These settings are marked on the lens using f-stops. On automatic cameras, the aperture can only be controlled through the camera's body's f-stop settings. Focusing ring. This is a section of the lens that rotates to allow the photographer to focus the image. On automatic cameras, this ring is moved by a small motor within the lens whenever you press the shutter release button halfway down. For manual focus, you will turn the ring until the image comes into focus. Rewind knob. Mechanism used to rewind the film back into the canister. Film rewind crank allows the photographer to reel film back into its container once all exposures have been shot so that the film can be developed. Lens mounting lens. A lens mount is a standard of proprietary interface used by camera and lens manufacturers to ensure a secure and accurate means for attaching a lens to a camera body. Accessory shoe. An accessory shoe is the small metal bracket or mount on top of a camera used to attach a speedlight flash and other accessories such as microphones. Shutter speed index. Shutter speed is one of several methods used to control the amount of light recorded by the camera's digital sensor of film. It is also used to manipulate the visual effects of the final image.